the truth is I never really stopped loving you. Sometimes I call you crazy, but deep down I'm crazy too. I kinda had to give you little love letters. Yeah, we both departed and proceeded to go our separate ways. But I want you to know I still think about you every day. I hope that you're happy and I hope that you're okay. Do you remember me? Hi baby girl, I'm sure you do. Beautiful brown lady, Latina from Peru. I don't know what my life would be like if I didn't get with you. Honestly, I miss what we used to have. I think about you when I'm fading and I look up at the stars and all those times that we made love in my shitty little car. The times I acted like a gentleman in front of your mama when I used to sing to you, even the sounds of the guitar. I wonder if you ever think of me, our past, future plans and our dreams about our kids. I remember when I made your fantasies become reality, even when we had our arguments and you got mad at me. It was so good cause at the end you still come back to me. Had my love and great seconds, I didn't even take it ecstasy. Let's be clear, nothing but a love for each other mattered. Wanted to have two sons, a cheat dog and a daughter. How bad luck, like I walk under the ladder. Then we both fucked up and so we broke up. You met some other guys, I fucked some other girls, but deep down nothing was the same. Just a shitty world, but hey, try to move on, but the memories keep getting tired haunting me. Life's a bitch if you don't use no Vaseline, but fuck, I struggle to remain clean. I try to go with alcohol, rapping and weed, but still, I feel everything except for free. Sometimes I wish that I could wish you back, but you're gone. You're a totally different person, I won't forget. But I learned cause I take this as a lesson. And even if you hate me, I still love you with all my motherfucking strength. So remember I'm always here, even when you're lonely. Close your eyes and listen to my raps and imagine me being by your side. I know you're feeling sad, it ain't no good baby girl, but it's gonna be alright. I love you, just remember that. No matter how many people I meet, you'll always be the one. Maybe I'm not the smartest, but I'm the one that will give my life and try my hardest just to see you smile. I'd be lying if I said that I'm still not falling. And if you got pregnant, I wouldn't run away. You know me well, you know me, and I know you even better. Deep down, I just want us to forever be together. I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. I wonder if you know how much I really miss you. But over the years, it looks like we grew some distance. For instance, we can't talk without arguing. But I want you to know that you'll always have me here, no matter how hard life it gets. Open your wings, my angel, so you can fly away. You're the light of my world, you're the everlasting fire, the one and only girl that completes me and makes me higher. I wonder what's next. Yeah, I wonder what's next. I love you, sincerely, your ex.